talk about the maintenance a little bit, because what's really important about this is that you need to keep this disc really nice and clean. This disc here, because this is steel, just standard steel, and a lot of times people ask, well, you know, with all this water, shouldn't it be stainless steel? I mean, that makes a whole lot of sense, but it needs to be standard steel because the magnets don't stick to stainless steel. So that's why it's not stainless steel. And well, because of that, then it can rust, and it can rust very quickly. So actually what you're seeing is some of the rust that's on there. What also happens is if you, I don't think, maybe it's on one of these discs anyways, if you leave your disc on, I mean, when you're done grinding, yeah, here's a good one. So when you're done grinding, you know, like for the day, the best thing to do is take the disc off, right? Dry off the back of it, dry that off. If it looks like it needs to be clean, then you should clean it, and I'm going to show you how that's done. But you can see here on the disc, like we've left this one on a little too long onto the disc here, and it starts to create some rust. I mean, it's picking up rust from the disc, and then it makes this. I mean, right now it's totally fine, but it makes it not want to stick as well to the disc, right? So again, maintenance and keeping it clean is important. So how we do it here is, you want to use like a green scrubby pad, right? One of these scrubby pad things, and just WD-40. I mean, it's the simplest thing ever. And then what you do is you spray this with oil. You can spray the disc if you want, but I'll tell you, when you turn the disc on, it's going to throw the oil around. So I usually don't do that. I spray the scrubby pad first, and then just turn it on. And it doesn't have to be super fast. And then you would just hold it on there, and then just work it back and forth until you can work off. I know I didn't spray it with any oil, but then you would just work it off. I don't know if you can see what little bit I did here, but you see how that looks shinier already? I mean, you should be able to get the hoe disc that shininess. I mean, we should be able to. We just haven't taken the time to.
We've been loving on it too much.
Yeah, I was just I was just showing some of the other people on staff how to clean it, because they've been using it without realizing that it does need to be cleaned periodically. But I'll tell you, if you stay on top of it with some WD-40 and a scrubby pad, it'll last like forever. So